Welcome to ELCIA Tech Summit. This is Vinay Kumar from ELCIA. I have Mr. Govind Yadav from Honeywell Automation. Govind is a fellow chief from Honeywell Automation. Today we are in conversation after his talk from ELCIA Tech Summit. So Govind, can you just briefly tell us about what are probably the 5 trends that you will see in the coming days, considering that you're at the cusp of automation, you see technology very closely. So what are the 5 things that you would say that is going to be the trending things that we will have to look up to?
So I think first of all thanks for this podcast. The key things I see is the aerospace industry or the overall industry is going into a new era. It's as if you are reinventing the automobile era completely. The problems what we are seeing are totally different, like traffic, the regulations coming from our Mother Earth, getting the carbon neutrality. So the trends are more of electrification, having the fuels which are environmental friendly, autonomy. I think autonomy is everywhere. AI, digitization,
Right.
and lastly, I think the connectivity. The connectivity is going to be further enhanced by satellite. I think the Elon Musk, Starlinks, and all. I think slowly we will have the satellite phones, kind of a cell instead of cell phone, it will be sat phones.
Okay.
Everybody will have slowly.
Slowly.
Yeah, I think that's how the migration is happening. But these are broadly 5 elements, I would say, from the regulation of sustainability to electrification, electrification to digitization, digitization to more efficiency in terms of the pilot workload, and that's called autonomy. How to give autonomy so that the person in the execution gets more time, relax, and then finally the communication. So these are the broader areas where the trends are happening, and you will see lots of things, new products, new customers, new companies coming into the foray.
Nice. Exciting times. While a lot of people are talking about Make in India, also I feel that India is also leading in design. Right? So according to you, what it means to you, for Make in India as well as Design in India?
Yeah, so I think the most important thing is Make in India will happen because of the market we have. So if you look at the number of aircraft, the billion people we are, the consumption pattern, the usage pattern, I think whole of the Europe and few of the continent if put together is in India.
Nice.
So now the design thinking has to be the problems which India is facing.
Right.
Can I solve with the tech, which is the future? Because in the past, what has happened is somebody was ahead of us.
Right.
Because 1912, when automobile era happened, we were not, freedom was not to us.
Correct.
So engineers. Now we are having a competing field.
Right.
Hey, I have more number of engineers are there, more educations are there. I'm much better than you.
Right.
But can I solve the problems for Indian market, which is more meaningful, and can I scale it to the world market?
Right.
And the defense is one of the example. Your airlines is some consumption patterns, for example. The unique way of business model of Jugaad of India. How do I address? I see immense potential in Indian innovation.
Right.
Getting to the new way, like you saw that Menti.com.
Right.
I used to use something else.
Right.
It's excellent, right?
Right.
You can see that there's a innovation happened here. Yeah.
So good to hear from you, Govind. One last question. Anything that you want to give us feedback about ELCIA Tech Summit and what did you feel about it?
Oh, I think one of the key things I found is the level of details, the planning was exceptional. And the kind of panel members, the overall stage, the introduction, and the balancing of what you can expect from ELCIA. I think very well job done.
Thank you.
I really appreciate the support each of the even smallest member coming and helping, taking the gift, putting packaging. I really appreciate the small planning which went into the detailing out.
Thank you,
Excellent.
Govind. Thank you so much. Thank you for gracing the occasion. It's pleasure to have you, and we will see you again at ELCIA Tech Summit 2026.
Yeah, sure. I think my pleasure.
Thank you.